Welcome to ANJANI Interior Design Workshop. We will take you to see the activities of carpenters staff in our workshop. We offer a unique interior design service out to assist all customer in achieving their goals and guiding them effortlessly through to final successful conclusion. Whatever you are looking for, a fresh new look for you, exclusive hotel resort, a fabulous theme for you new house, a sumptuous style for you residents, the relaxation of a lush tropical villa, an impressive executive office, a comfortable restaurant, a new club, and fashionable bar. We can turn those hidden fantasies into reality, creating a world where colors start blend into each other, leaving a feeling of immense pleasure and tranquility. Delight in your new world and indulge your sense with the magical charms of professional design. We use an extensive range of material: reclaimed solid wood, teak wood, veneers, modern laminate, and stainless steel, acrylic, fabric, brass, seashell, and sometimes combining the old and new to create a personal style and finish.
But I'm sure we could do it right, yeah. Been talking day and night, yeah. Felt like we're moving slow. Us on the radio, feeling each other in the sand. No time to waste, so take my hand. Track of the time now, the moment is right now. I've been here before. Feels like you're mine now.
We hope you are satisfied with the service in our showroom or workshop. And with full respect, we want to know if you are satisfied. Shop with us. Are you happy with your purchase? Another one, if you want to ask or you want to give us feedback in order to improve our service, you know that we are gladly accept.
Jalan Raya Kerobokan, nomor 89 Badung, Bali.
info@anjaniinterior.com, www.anjaniinterior.com.
Hubungi kami
623619346187 plus 628133810302